Take a ride in the 2019 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear view camera, driver vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.